One of the things that most guys struggle with is the frustration of trying to do up the radiators with left-right nipples. The radiators usually tapped left, everything else is tapped right. The nipples are threaded left and right hand thread, so they can screw in both sides simultaneously. The drawback to this is your rough-in has to be almost perfect on both sides. You have to have a good selection of left-right nipples with you, and you can't always get the rad centered where you need it to be. So we've developed some products to make life easier in today's world. This is the left-right adapters. So we screw these guys into the rad left-hand thread, and that will facilitate the installation of the rad with a union valve and a union 90. So you can pre-assemble all these components and not have to worry about your radiator being lined up perfectly with the risers. The risers can't be crooked or anything like that when you're using left-right nipples. This way you've got a little bit of forgiveness. Then you can screw your valve and your union 90 onto the risers, bring the rad in, line it up, screw it in place, and you're done. It saves a whole lot of frustration and quite a bit of time. We stock adapters from 3/4 up to 1.25 inches. If you need a bigger one, we can get them. We also stock union valves and union 90s from 1/2 inch up to 1.5 inches. If you've roughed in home run and all your lines are PEX and 1/2 inch and you don't want to use a 3/4 steel riser, we also made left right bushings in every size from 3/4 by 1/2 up to 1.5 inch by 1/2. And these will allow you to get the rad down to 1/2 inch right hand thread, and then same principle applies. Get your valve installed on its riser, get the tail screwed into the bushing, slide the rad in place, connect it up, fill it up, bleed it, check for leaks, and you're good to go. This is one of our Windsor TRVs. Beautiful valves. They only come in 1/2 inch compression. There is an adapter if you have steel risers coming out through the floor.